How are scrying stones used in paranormal investigations? Please like and subscribe. Your help will help us grow. Thanks for the view. Welcome to the world of scrying stones, a tool for glimpsing the unknown. Today we're exploring what makes these stones so intriguing. Scrying stones are dark, reflective surfaces. Think black obsidian or a still pool of water. For centuries, people have used them to seek answers and uncover hidden truths. They're not magical by themselves, but act as a focus for the mind. The real power comes from within. The stone helps you tap into your intuition. Scrying stones are windows to another world, or at least another way of seeing. They help us look beyond the obvious, using not just our eyes, but our inner senses. The term scrying stone is broad. It can be any reflective surface, a bowl of water, a black mirror, even dark glass. The key is a surface that lets your mind wander and perceive differently. Why do we use them? Curiosity, the desire to connect with something greater. Scrying is about opening your mind to new information. It's not about magic tricks. It's about focus and perception. Anyone can try it, with the right mindset and a little patience. The allure of scrying stones endures because we're always searching for answers. They're tools for connection, insight, and sometimes revelation. Whether you believe in the mystical or not, scrying stones invite us to look deeper. They remind us that there's more to reality than what we see on the surface. The fascination continues, generation after generation. Scrying is about seeing differently, through the stone and through yourself. The stone is just the beginning. What you discover depends on you. So, what might you see if you look? That's the mystery at the heart of scrying. Scrying stones have a long history in divination and spirit communication. Ancient people gazed into stones to seek visions of the future or find lost things. They believed the reflective surface was a gateway between worlds. Scrying was a serious sacred act, used for guidance and understanding the unknown. Dr. John Dee, advisor to Queen Elizabeth I, famously used a black obsidian mirror. He and his partner Edward Kelly believed they spoke with angels through scrying. Their work is still studied by historians and occultists today. Different cultures had their own scrying methods. Egyptians used bowls of water, sometimes with oil. Nostradamus reportedly scryed with water as well. Native American tribes used polished crystals or natural water surfaces. The tools varied, but the goal was the same, insight beyond the ordinary. Scrying stones were trusted for answers when logic failed. They were used to connect with ancestors and spiritual beings. The act of scrying was often ritualized, adding to its power and mystery. These traditions remind us that the search for meaning is universal. Scrying stones were more than objects. They were bridges to the unknown. Even today, their legacy continues in modern practices. The ancient fascination with scrying still inspires seekers. Whether for prophecy or connection, scrying stones shaped history. Their stories are woven into the fabric of human curiosity. The past and present meet in the reflective surface. What will you find if you look? Scrying stones are still used in modern paranormal investigations. They're not just relics. They're practical tools for connecting with the unknown. Investigators use them to focus energy and invite communication. When other methods fail, scrying stones offer a different approach. The process is simple. Sit quietly, gaze into the stone, and wait. Patience is key. Sometimes shapes, symbols, or even faces appear. Every observation is recorded, even if it seems meaningless at first. Patterns often emerge later, revealing new insights. Scrying stones are often used alongside other equipment, EVP recorders, cameras, and more. Documenting the session adds credibility and helps verify experiences. The stone becomes a focal point for both investigator and spirit. It's a quiet, meditative method that requires openness and objectivity. Not every session yields results, but each one adds to the investigation. Scrying stones help bridge the gap between the seen and unseen. They encourage us to look beyond the obvious and trust our intuition. In the field, they're a valuable part of the toolkit. The experience is personal, but the evidence can be shared. Scrying stones remind us that investigation is as much about perception as technology. They keep the mystery alive. Sometimes the simplest tools reveal the most. What might you discover on the front lines? Preparation is everything in scrying. Choose a tool that resonates with you: black obsidian, a painted glass, or a natural crystal. Hold it, sense its energy, and see if it feels right. Cleanse your stone before use. Waft it with sage smoke, leave it in moonlight, or bury it in salt. This clears away old energies and sets a neutral stage. Set your intention. What do you want to achieve? Be clear, whether it's connecting with a spirit or seeking insight. Focus your purpose. Prepare your mind as well. Find a quiet place, sit comfortably and relax. Take deep breaths and let go of distractions. Your mind should be calm and open like a still pond. A scattered mind makes scrying difficult. State your intention out loud or hold it firmly in your thoughts. This directs your energy and gives the session focus. The connection is personal. Trust your instincts. The more you prepare, the deeper your experience. Scrying is as much about mindset as method. A clear purpose leads to clearer results. Respect the process and it will reward you. The right preparation sets the stage for discovery. Are you ready to see what lies beneath the surface? Now, let's begin the scrying. Dim lighting is essential. Candlelight works best. Position candles so they don't reflect directly into your eyes. Gaze into the stone with a relaxed, unfocused stare. Don't force it. Let your mind drift and observe what comes. Be patient. Images may take time to appear. Sometimes the surface clouds over first. This is a good sign. Stay relaxed and keep watching. Record everything: shapes, colors, symbols, faces, or even feelings. Not all messages are visual. Note sounds or sudden emotions too. Keep a notebook handy for your observations. Don't get discouraged if nothing happens right away. Each session is practice for deeper perception. The process is as important as the result. Your environment matters. Choose a quiet, undisturbed location. Turn off phones and distractions. Keep lighting minimal. Candlelight creates the right mood. Avoid harsh electric lights that break your focus. Comfort is key. Use a chair or cushions and wear relaxed clothing. Make sure the room temperature is comfortable. Some add protective symbols or calming incense for positive energy. Others prefer complete silence. The goal is a space that feels safe and sacred. A supportive atmosphere helps you focus and relax. If you're on an investigation, pick a calm spot. The right space enhances your experience. Every detail matters: sound, light, comfort. Respect the space as you would the process. A good environment sets the tone for scrying. Let your space support your intention. Safety comes first when exploring the unknown. Ground yourself before and after scrying. Visualize roots connecting you to the earth. This keeps you stable and prevents feeling drained. Use a simple protection ritual. Imagine a shield of white light or say a prayer for safety. Set boundaries. Only positive energies are welcome. Know when to stop. If you feel scared or overwhelmed, end the session. Your well-being is the priority. Beginners should try scrying with a trusted friend for support. They can help document and provide reassurance. Shared experiences can be safer and more insightful. Always close the session respectfully, thank any presence, and declare it finished. Don't push yourself too hard. Protection is about peace of mind and control. Explore, but always with care. Scrying tools come in many forms. Obsidian mirrors are classic, dark, shiny, and easy to gaze into. John Dee's famous obsidian mirror is legendary among scryers. Crystal balls, usually clear quartz, offer a different experience with internal reflections. Some find crystal balls more challenging than dark mirrors. Water scrying is ancient and accessible, just a dark bowl of still water. Some add ink to darken the water for better reflection. The gentle movement of water can help induce visions. Fire scrying uses candle flames or bonfires. Visions may appear in the flicker and smoke. Each tool offers a unique way to focus the mind. Choose what resonates with you. The method matters less than your connection to it. Experiment to find your preferred tool. Scrying is personal. There's no single right way. The right tool is the one that opens your mind. Scrying stones are tools, not magic wands. Their power depends on your focus and intention. Approach scrying with respect. It's not a game. You're peeking behind the veil, whether into the spirit world or your own subconscious. If you seek contact, do so politely and cautiously. Treat any communication seriously and ethically. Scrying is for insight, not entertainment. Patience is essential. Skills develop over time. Stay open but always grounded. Listen to your intuition. If something feels wrong, stop. The unknown is vast. Explore with care. Meaningful results come from a respectful approach. Scrying is a journey, not a shortcut. What you discover depends on how you look.